Hola, buenos dias, good morning, everybody. Past couple of days, actually I'd say it's been about a week. I have not been feeling that great, but when I go outside, I'm fine. So I've been taking only when I'm inside, I take Tylenol, severe sinus pressure, Benadryl, Mucinex. I'm like, why is none of this shit working? But when I go outside, I'm perfectly fine. So last night, I look up, I'm like, damn, this ceiling fan is nasty. And I realized I ain't never cleaned this ceiling fan. So I'm gonna assume that's one of the reasons why. Because I'm fine when I walk in, I go to the living room, I'm cool. It's only when I get in here, I'm like, damn, my nose. So I'm just gonna assume that it's because of this. But yeah. I thought, what a great video to do of me cleaning my ceiling fan. Right? Don't you guys want to see me clean my ceiling fan? Yeah, I do. Oh God. Okay. Oh, this is for a tall person. This is not for somebody short. Oh wow. Oh, that's major right there. That is major. All right, spin the block. Spin the block. Oh my God, I'm so short. Woo! Okay, now this one's done. This one is done. Okay, spin the block. Keep spinning the block. Oh my God. Okay, so the top of it isn't too bad. That's good. Can't really see the top. But the sides? Yeah, the sides is OD. Okay, let's try this one. It's a little dirty. Not too bad. This one is major. Here. Oh my God. Ah! Yeah. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. That is disgusting. It's crazy because as I'm doing this, my sinuses are acting up. Okay, so those ones are good. Those ones are good. That one is almost good. Yep. This one. It's crazy how important cleaning small stuff is. Next I should do my blinds. Okay. Oh my God. Oh yeah. 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 That one was major. It. Ooh. That shit flew off. I'm back. Yeah. Already starting to smell better. That's crazy. See what these blinds is looking like. Well, they're not so bad. Little bitty. I feel like I'm cleaning these wrong. It's coming off. That's good. Yeah. That's as good as it's gonna get. For now. I'm gonna do that later. Alright, y'all. Well, thank you for watching my video of me cleaning my ceiling fan. Happy Saturday. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Tomorrow is the 1st, so if I don't see you tomorrow, then happy May 1st. May the 4th be with you. Happy Cinco de Mayo. And all that good stuff. Bye, y'all.